The rise of AI-generated Studio Ghibli-style images has taken social media by storm, showcasing the enduring appeal of this artistic style. Founded by Hayao Miyazaki, Isao Takahata, and Toshio Suzuki, Studio Ghibli is famous for its hand-drawn animations that evoke nostalgia and emotion through rich colors, expressive characters, and immersive environments. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. With AI-powered tools, users can now transform everyday moments into Ghibli-style masterpieces. AI brings a whimsical, cinematic quality to real-life memories, turning them into visually stunning artworks. OpenAI's GPT-4o has made it easier than ever to generate Ghibli-inspired images. The surge in demand has been so overwhelming that CEO Sam Altman humorously remarked that their GPUs were melting. To handle the influx, OpenAI introduced temporary rate limits while working on optimizing the system. Unlike its predecessors, GPT-4o builds images in stages, enhancing text accuracy and object relationships. This refined approach has further fueled enthusiasm, leading to a flood of AI created Ghibli portraits, landscapes, and imaginative compositions. Even Sam Altman joined the trend, updating his profile picture with a Ghibli style AI artwork. Reflecting on the phenomenon, he joked about how his journey into AI superintelligence led to an unexpected flood of anime inspired depictions. While AI can replicate Ghibli's aesthetics, it lacks the handicraft emotion and storytelling depth of traditional animation. However, it provides a fun and accessible way for users to engage with this cherished art form. Ultimately, this trend highlights the intersection of technology, art, and nostalgia, providing that creativity thrives when innovation meets human imagination. Let's look into today's headlines. Foxconn plans major investment to expand iPhone manufacturing in India in 2025. Foxconn is expanding its India operations in line with Apple's strategy to diversify its supply chain and reduce reliance on China. Over the past 3 to 4 months, Foxconn has been conducting restricted testing at its new Bengaluru facility to ensure large-scale production meets Apple's quality standards. In 2023, it assembled 12 million iPhones in India. With the Bengaluru unit nearing completion, Foxconn aims higher, targeting an annual capacity of 20 million smartphones, making it India's largest facility and the world's second largest. Apple readies virtual doctor with Project Mulberry. Apple is revamping its health app with AI-powered coaching features to enhance its role as a health tool. Part of Project Mulberry, the initiative is in testing and includes an AI coach that provides personalized health insights. Currently, Apple devices track metrics like heart rate and blood oxygen, but data is only collected. The new update will use AI or LLMs to analyze this data and offer actionable advice. Apple is also training the AI with staff physicians and plans to bring in more doctors for health-related content. The center criticizes X for labeling Sahyog portal as a censorship tool. The center criticized social media platform X for calling its Sahyog portal a censorship tool, calling the claim unfortunate and condemnable. In a Karnataka High Court hearing, the government argued that Sahyog is a facilitative mechanism for intermediaries and law enforcement, not a censorship tool. X has challenged the government's use of Section 79(3)(b) of the IT Act, claiming it contradicts the Supreme Court's Shreya Singhal ruling, which allows content blocking only under Section 69A or a court order. The center defended Sahyog, emphasizing its role in streamlining digital compliance. Nokia to enhance Vodafone Idea's optical network for 4G expansion and 5G rollout. Nokia is one of 3 vendors selected for Vodafone Idea's Rs 30,000 crore network expansion. Announced ahead of an urgent investor meeting, the $3.6 billion deal aims to address concerns over Vodafone Idea's stock decline and market sentiment. Under the agreement, Nokia will upgrade Vodafone Idea's optical transport network across key metro and circle locations, boosting 4G capacity and supporting its 5G rollout. The upgrade enhances efficiency, ensuring Vodafone Idea stays competitive. OpenAI to release new open language model soon. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has confirmed that the company is working on its first open language model since GPT-2, set to launch in the coming months. This news comes shortly after OpenAI introduced a new image generator. To improve the model, OpenAI is seeking feedback from developers, researchers, and the public through a feedback form. Open source language models are AI systems trained on large amounts of data. They can understand, create, and modify human language for different uses. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.